The personnel of the 1st Slavic Tank Brigade are striking the enemy fortress area with accurate fire from concealed positions. The 1st Slavic Tank Brigade of the 1st Donetsk Army Corps is destroying the enemy's concealed infantry with precise targeted fire from concealed positions. The attack is precise and smoke can be seen rising as the artillery hits the target. The attack is guided by a quadcopter as surveillance drone. The footage was released by Donetsk on April 28. Ukraine's losses in the Donetsk direction have not yet been calculated. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said in total, Ukraine lost 413 jet fighters, 229 helicopters and 3,887 unmanned aerial vehicles. Also 421 air defense missile systems, 8,887 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,095 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,679 field artillery guns and mortars, as well as 9,820 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed since the beginning of the special military operation. The other side, Ukraine military officials said Russia lost 540 servicemen in a single day, including 3 armored personnel carriers and 6 drones. In total, Russia lost 189,640 servicemen. Ukraine also published footage of the gunners in cooperation with aerial reconnaissance, destroyed Russia BMPs in the direction of Bakhmut. Bakhmut's defense continues, said the official statement in Telegram. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 429 days. There are still no peace agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.